I'm Alli Rusco, and I went to Orchard View High School, and I graduated in 2016. I attended graphic production in high school, and I chose it because I wanted to expand my creative abilities. What I enjoyed most about coming to CTC was I was able to interact with all other schools in the area instead of just those who I see every day and I've seen since kindergarten. And it prepared me for my career now and also just college in general, because I was able to get the experience with all the Adobe Creative Cloud suites, and I was able to go into the classes in college with confidence, but able to still learn more when I was there. And also while I'm at the Vikings, there's always jobs that you're just like, I'm not prepared for. I didn't know that was going to be a part of my duty as a photographer. But so having the knowledge of every Adobe Creative Cloud suite was very helpful. After CTC, I graduated in 2016, and I attended Central Michigan University, where I got a degree in photojournalism and a minor in multimedia studies. So I was able to still continue the graphic design aspect along with photography. And then the last 2 years that I was in college, I worked for our athletics program, and I covered all 14 Division I sports, home, away, events, practices, all of the above. And then I just started applying on Teamworks to any job I saw. I think I applied to around at least 10 plus teams. 3 reached out to me with interviews, and the Vikings were the ones to offer. And that's where I am. Well, that's where I stayed. The Career Tech Center is a place where you can kind of come into and really, even if you're taking one class, you're able to connect with other students who are here. And if you're in graphic production, but you actually have an interest in cooking, you can talk to students who are here at the same time as you and kind of learn about that. You're going into the real world, as some say, or college, knowing and being able to get experience of different career paths out there. And also, if you are very certain on what you want, then you're able to get that experience while you're still in high school, as opposed to just going into college blind and maybe realizing in college that that's not something that you wanted to do. Something that really pushed me and made me want to come to CTC was just the fact that I was able to get opportunities here that I wasn't able to get at my school. Not every high school in the area is going to have the same opportunities as each other, and I really wanted to expand on my knowledge of the creative digital design world, and I was able to do that here.